The Vivo T1 44 watts and the Vivo IQ00 Z6 44 watts, if you are not aware, is the same device with a different name. We don't know why Vivo has done this and selling both phones in the same country, but it is what it is. Also, not much difference between the Vivo T1 44 watts, T1 Pro and the IQ00 Z6 Pro. So the build quality between all the four devices will be pretty much similar. In fact, the T1 44 watts and the Z6 44W is the heaviest at only 182 grams. Anyways, great to see the flexible plastic case free inside the box. Remember, the 12K Realme C35 did not have it. Seems like the 12K range is the cutoff point and there is a fear of not getting it free since the case quality is generally pretty good. We have the Starry Sky variant here to test, which is in the shade of blue, and we have to agree that the looks is quite awesome due to the large dual camera design made popular by Apple. In fact, the lower dial houses two lenses just to give that large size effect. The ratio of the lens size compared to the smaller footprint of the frame is pretty significant. The 182 grams feels like featherweight compared to 200 gram devices, and as of now, the build quality seems very sturdy in my usual trial bend. If the build is actually strong or not, we'll be proving that in the next video in the build quality bend test. The plastic screen protector actually lowers our confidence on the quality of the glass protection, since as we know very well, it is used to cover up poor quality glass protection underneath on budget BBK devices, very prone to scratches and no oleophobic coating. Though oleophobic coating seems to be there on touch, and we'll be proving that in the water test soon. Another reason we aren't confident that the T1 or the IQ00 Z6 will survive the blade, which is the best tool for measuring the actual scratch resistance, is because the glass protection is again undisclosed, as is the case in most BBK devices. We won't be surprised if the unnamed tempered glass protection once again fails in handling the blade abuse. It seems Vivo has decided to use good quality glass protection on the T series and Z6 series devices, as it was a surprise relief to see it pass the stress test. Next, on to the drop test. These past few months have been a season of fails and nightmares with lots of drop fails, AMOLED damages and glass shatter. So fingers crossed that there is no AMOLED damage on the Vivo T1 44W and IQ00 Z6, also surviving glass shatter. We will be performing 2 pocket drops and 4 high drops from different angles. First pocket height drop from the camera back side. Next, second pocket drop on the display side. The Vivo IQ00 Z6 44W or T1 44W has passed both pocket drops with zero issues. Next, on to the high drops. First high drop on the bottom side plastic edge. Quite a prominent ugly mark and dent on the right edge plastic display unit and mid-frame. Next, second high drop from the top side plastic edge. Third high drop on the triple camera unit backside. Seemingly no damages whatsoever at the back or on the camera unit glass and frame. Things seem to be cool at this point. Next, the last finale high drop you have been waiting for. Will the AMOLED display turn out weak or strong? There seems to be no glass shatter or AMOLED damages as of now, and the device is working fine after the finale high drop. Vivo T1 and Z6 owners should be relieved that their smartphone has not failed like the previous few devices, passing the dreaded drop test due to a drop-friendly design.